It's like doing mental math and arriving at a conclusion that the individual falls into a certain undertone category, not going only by the face. Why, you may ask? First things first, let's see what a skin tone is. It is important to remember that despite one's skin coloring, especially on the face, there is every chance that the surface color of an individual's skin can change owing to changing seasons, skin conditions, pigmentation, exposure to the sun, and several such other factors. The skin on the face tends to change even more often than it does on the rest of the body, including the arms, chest, and neck. So when a makeup artist has to analyze and quickly apply his or her skill to choose a foundation, for example, it would make so much sense to look broadly at the area around the face, such as the neck, the sides of the face, near the ears, chest, arm, hands, to assess a customer's coloring. This is essential because balance has to be brought to the face and make it seamlessly matched with the areas immediately around the face, not the other way around. Unlike skin tones, which are the surface colors of the skin, undertones refer to the colors just underneath the skin that give the skin their brightness or warmth or coolness, dullness, sallowness, etc. Let's say that undertones help you describe skin tones. An individual may be very fair or light in complexion, but she may have a warmth about it or a coolness about it. Likewise, a very dark individual may have a golden glow about their complexion or have a bronzed warmth or perhaps even a cool characteristic to their skin. So whether light or medium, dark or deep, an individual may have different undertones. Undertones normally fall into three broad categories: warm undertones, such as red, oranges, orange yellows; cool undertones, like greens, blue, violets; or neutral undertones, which are a blend of warm and cool colors. The internet is an abundant source of knowledge on how to recognize one's own undertones, and there are a few often used tricks to employ, like the following quick tests. The vein test. Take a look at the underside of your wrists. If you see green veins, the undertone is a warm one. If the veins appear blue, it's a cool undertone. If it is ambiguous and there are hints of both green and blue veins, the person may be of a neutral coloring. Jewelry test. Put on gold and silver bracelets or bangles on each wrist and see which ones flatter the skin better. The silver would mean a cool undertone and the gold would mean a warm undertone. If both look good, chances are that the individual is a neutral undertone.